YouTube, I'm back again, bringing y'all another one, I guess, what you gonna call it. So, as y'all probably see, I'm back in the KW. Y'all probably wondering what kind of KW. For all you truckers, you probably know what kind it is. I'm just getting in it, so don't judge my truck. I'm just getting in it. Yeah, 13. CB is up top in this one. They took the map lights out, put the CB up top. I will take y'all to the sleeper. Ain't very much to see back here. Just a little something. Got some red lights. Red light special. Alrighty. I guess I'll throw my pad to get out. But I will throw the boots on real quick. My only thing I don't like about this truck, it has carpet. And doing what we do, it's gonna be a bitch to keep this carpet clean. I'm over here in line getting loaded, so bear with me. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds lovely. And there she is, people. There she is. 13 speed, 550 cat. 96 is the truck number. I ain't gonna show y'all my company logo. Got the Hodge-built fenders on it. Got the lights on the back of the sleepers. Got those lights on it. Get it whopper. Got a little tinted wonders. Breather lights, LEDs. Now, this is what I like about it. It does have a lowrider seat. We do have a new steering wheel coming for it. Bostrom lowrider. But like I said, people, just a little quick something, chromed out dash. Just a little quick something right quick. Just something I wanted to show you.